Got more rain again today. This is the total for today, just during the day. And most of it came from about lunchtime until about 5. So let's see what we got. According to Ohio Corn and Wheat, we got, 8.5 tenths. According to Product Alternatives, birds. $7,900. No, that's 80 hundredths. Or 8 tenths for you simpletons. I will convert it. Let's dump that out. Juicy. I will convert it. I will convert that to millimeters because I want to be inclusive to everyone. I don't want to offend anyone, aside from the fact that I give it in hundredths of an inch, which a lot of people can't understand, but anyway. So yeah, that's what we got today. Let me know what you got. At this point, everything is moist. So rain can shut off for a couple days. Be all right. See ya.